Hello guys, welcome back to Chur Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to use any song as your background music on Snapchat on your Android devices and how to do this up. As you can see that on the Snapchat we have a limited amount of songs to be played in the background when you're trying to cover something up. So this is how we're gonna fix this up. So what you have to do is, first thing what you have to do is just close this up and just you have to open Spotify alternatively, and you have to search for the artist whom you wanted to play the song in the background. And here I'm going to search for my favorite Justin Bieber over here. So I'm going to click on this and I'm going to select one of the favorite song of mine, and I'm going to reduce the volume here in order to avoid the copyright issues. So the song is being played in the background, and this is the first step. And once after that, go back to the Snapchat and record what you wanted to do in the video, and you can record in between. As you can see that right now I'm recording the video and the song is being played in the background, and you can fix this up. As you can see that now the song is still being played, and I made it pause, and now as you can see that it is being successfully recorded. And due to some issues of copyright, I'm not going to show much part because I'm having the issue. Now still I can hear myself. I don't know whether you are able to hear out, but the song is still being played in the background. So what you have to do is, once after it has been successfully done, you just have to send to the person whom you wanted to set this up. So you just have to search this up, and this is what you have to do. And what you have to do is you can send to the friends or someone you wanted to share it up, and you can make them happy or what. So this is what it's all when it comes to how to add any songs in the background on the Snapchat for Android devices. And I hope this video is helpful for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.